Like always, straight to the point. There's 3 trim pieces you must take off to get to the 7mm bolts. Taking off the door pan was pretty straightforward. We used a trim removal tool to unhook all the clips. While you can do the job without removing the speaker, I highly recommend you do. It makes life a whole lot easier and it only takes a couple seconds to do. Unplug the main harness by pulling on the pink lever. We didn't get a good shot of this, but don't worry. If you're having trouble with it, we show how to do it better on the passenger side. With the speaker out the way, now you have complete access to all the wiring. Remove the electrical tape and tie strap holding the rubber boot in place. Make sure to secure the rubber boot in the hole and to pull the wiring on the opposite end. If you skip this step, the wiring will get pinched and cause all sorts of problems. This truck is a 2500, so it already comes with 4 pre-drilled holes. If you have a 1500, all you have to do is just drill one more hole using a 5/16 drill bit, and the factory already marks the location. This wiring comes with the hardwire kit we sell on our website. Honestly, there's nothing special about what we're selling. What you're mainly paying for is tech support, which includes phone support and FaceTime. You could spend all day trying to figure out a problem that you caused, or you could just call us and we could tell you within minutes what the problem is. Keep in mind, if you buy a set of our mirrors, the hardwire kit is free. If you have experience with wiring and don't feel the need for tech support, then I hope this free video helps out. But please don't expect us to answer any troubleshooting questions on the comment section. Back to the install. Tape up the blue and white wire and run it through the rubber boot. You can use a pick or a drill to make a hole in the rubber. So this is a step everybody forgets. You got to make sure to tape up the blue and white wire to secure it. If you don't, it'll get stuck on the latch. So every time you open and close the door, you could pinch it and then cause a short. The blue and white wires will go through this hole that leads to the inside of the cab. Don't worry, if done correctly the wire won't get damaged since it's between rubber and plastic. Take off the clips from old mirrors and tape onto the new ones. Make sure this connector is plugged up correctly. The way you can find out is by looking at the wire colors. Make sure white matches up with white, red with red, etc, etc. Cut the blue and white wires going towards the mirror so we could attach the wiring we ran through earlier. Tape up all the wiring and make sure everything gets secured. That way nothing gets damaged when installing the door panel. The passenger side is the exact same process, so we're just going to speed through it. Here we have a better angle at removing the door harness. You just press the top on the clip to unhook it and you pull the pink lever back. After running the wiring, you have to cut the driver's side and join it together with the passenger side. As you can see from the diagram, the blue wire goes to slot number 15, which is the trailer park lamp, and the white wire goes to slot number 16, which is the reverse lamp. Whichever fuse you take out of the slot, you're going to put it back into the fuse tab that we provided. test out all the lights before putting everything back together.